This is for the duck moms because I had the most genius idea the other day and I'm so excited about it. I was so sick of dragging the hose inside here and trying to wedge it within the door in order to clean out my duck's pan. And then the idea came to me to just add a retractable hose inside the pan and then use the spigot that we have for our duck pans to connect it to the outside hose. This literally made my life 1,000 times easier. There's no more hose getting tangled up in the door. And there's 100 feet of hose in this thing, so it reaches everywhere in the pen that I need to get to for a quick clean. And obviously the fact that it's retractable makes putting it away super easy. So yeah, this is probably my new favorite thing inside this duck pan. I'm gonna link the retractable hose that we got for ours down below. Let me know if you guys do this because I can't believe I've gone as long as I have without adding this. I feel silly. Bye guys.